Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a clear purpose, so start there. On Windows or Mac OS, verify which account has administrator rights and make a simple backup of any server configs. Once done, close Minecraft and any launchers. You don't want active connections while changing rules. Next, note the port you use. Minecraft defaults to 25,565 because you'll allow that port, not disable security entirely. Make sure to record current firewall rules so you can restore them later if needed. Now you change the rules themselves. On Windows, open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection, then Advanced Settings. Create an inbound rule for TCP port 25,565 or for Java. EXE if using the Java edition. On Mac OS, open System Settings, Security and Privacy, Firewall, then Firewall Options, add the Minecraft app and set to allow incoming connections. Alternatively, instead of blanket disabling, create a temporary Allow Rule scope to your device IP. Finish by testing access. Launch Minecraft and attempt a remote connection, or use a port checker to verify 25,565 is reachable. If it still fails, make sure your router forwards the same port to your machine's local IP, confirm your PC has a static local IP, and restart the firewall service or the computer. If things go wrong, revert to your saved firewall rules and backups. This restores security quickly, and then troubleshoot step by step to avoid leaving your system exposed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.